Namaskar, I am Dr. R.K. Singh, a senior ENT and head neck surgeon working at Apex Hospital in Rewari, Haryana. Now, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic known as chronic cough caused by postnasal drip. Now, let us explore this topic together. By definition, postnasal drip occurs when excessive mucus accumulates at the back of the throat and drips into airway, leading to irritation and triggering a chronic cough. The postnasal drip can be caused by various factors which may include allergies of nose and sinus infection, cold, flus, environmental irritants, and certain medication. Symptoms of chronic cough may be caused by postnasal drip may include persistent cough, sensation of mucus dripping down the throat, throat clearing, hoarseness, and difficulty in swallowing. Diagnosing chronic cough due to postnasal drip involves a thorough medical history, physical examination, and assessment of symptoms. Additional tests such as nasal endoscopy, allergy testing, imaging studies may be conducted to identify the underlying causes. The treatment of chronic cough caused by postnasal drip aims to address the underlying cause. This may include nasal saline irrigation, use of antihistamine drug, decongestant, nasal corticosteroid sprays, allergy medication, and avoiding triggers such as tobacco smoke and environmental allergen. Untreated chronic cough due to postnasal drip can lead to complications such as throat irritation, vocal cord strain, sleep disturbances, and impaired quality of life. It is essential to seek medical evaluation and treatment to alleviate symptoms and prevent complication. Thank you for joining me today to learn about chronic cough caused by postnasal drip. If you have any queries or question or concern, please feel to ask in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more educational videos like this we will be posting in future, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Thank you so much.